This 15-acre horse farm in Brooks offers a lifestyle that people only dream about, with horses right outside your window and the Flint River running along your property. 3 barns with a total of 13 stalls sit at the heart of the property, designed for the true horse enthusiast with open pasture views in every direction. And just beyond the fields, the Flint River runs along your property, adding a rare connection to nature and quiet days on the water. This is more than land. It's a way of life built around horses, space, and the river.